Yeah, rip it up. Pull it. Yeah. Right? Yeah.
Oh.
Good job.
Nice and heavy. It's in the ribbon pile. Very good, Ellie.
Yeah.
Very, very organized young man.
Ribbons are good.
Ready?
Oh,
whoa.
What is it?
Don't put those keys down.
The box.
Oh, that's it.
Whoa. Should we open the box? Can you open it with the keys?
Here, Brian. Here, Brian.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm sorry, but my kid is really smart.
Oh, yes. That's
That's
one
I'm
tape.
sorry.
No, you
Watch
know,
out,
you've
pal.
seen me open a box with a key.
Yes.
I see.
With tape.
Yes.
Sorry, he's brilliant.
Oh. Oh.
Thank you, Jim.
Here
What is
we
it?
go.
What is that? What is
Hand
that?
me the plastic box and I'll cut that thing off.
I don't know if we should open those yet, Dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we should wait.
All over the
Yeah.
place.
Yeah.